Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make aloo yakhni, or Jammu region's famous delicacy Dahi wale Aloo. Though I have made it slightly innovative, it's a very aromatic and lip-smacking curry. Crisp fried potatoes are cooked with curd to lend a delicate taste and melt in mouth texture. It's a bite of crisp looking yet soft potatoes laced with curd and flavors. So let's get started. For making this curry, I have taken around half a kg of curd. Curd should be at room temperature. 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. 2 teaspoons of salt, or you can take according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of garam masala, it's optional, you can skip it. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And whole spices include 5 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, and I have taken 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few cloves and 1 cinnamon stick, and I have taken around 750 grams of baby potatoes. Here you can see, and I have peeled them. If you don't have baby potatoes, you can take normal medium-sized potatoes and then slice them into 2 or 4. And I have taken around a big bunch of coriander, fresh coriander, and 2 green chilies. For this dish, we don't use mint as we do in yakhni, so it's seasoned with fresh coriander. And I have taken less than half a teaspoon of Kashmiri spice cake or wur. This is also optional, but it gives good taste. And oil, I have taken around 1 cup. This we need for frying. So first I start with boiling the potatoes. If you are making Jammu style Dahi wale Aloo, you don't need to boil them. You can simply fry them, and you can make smaller pieces and then add curd. But I'm being slightly innovative. So I have added salt, and I'll boil them for some time till they are slightly soft. I'll keep checking in between. So here you can see they seem soft. So here you can see we have to boil them for around 5 to 7 minutes on high flame. And then once they are cool, we will make holes in them. This is the same step we do for dum aloo, and trust me, they taste amazing by doing these steps. They taste really amazing. So we have to boil them first. You can even boil them with skin on and then peel off the skin. And then we have to make holes like this. And now I have heated up enough oil, and I'll fry all these potatoes. So the step till now we have done is we have boiled the potatoes, and then we have made the holes, and now we are going to fry them. We have to deep fry them the same way we do for dum aloo. For frying the potatoes, we need to be very patient. We have to fry them on medium flame. We don't have to keep high flame. It will take a while for them to fry properly. We have to deep fry them. So here you can see they are fried properly. So at this stage we'll take them out from oil. So here you can see these are the deep fried potatoes. And now I have heated up around 2 tablespoons of oil. And I have added whole spices, cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves, and we'll saute them properly. Then I'll be adding other spices, coriander powder, dry ginger powder, fennel seed powder, garam masala. Garam masala is optional, you can skip it if you don't have. Then we'll give them a good mix, and I'll be adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then we will add just a tablespoon of water so that these spices won't burn. And I'm adding wur that I have already shown you. So I have soaked it in water. Instead of wur, you can just take half a teaspoon of chili powder. It gives a really good taste to it. And then I'll add potatoes, fried potatoes, mix, and I'll be adding water and salt here. Salt you can adjust according to your taste, and you have to remember that we had already added salt while boiling the potatoes. So keeping that in mind, you can adjust accordingly. And then I will let them boil, because these potatoes are crisp fried, so they need to be boiled properly, they need to be cooked properly. So for around 15 minutes I'll keep them on low flame. So here you can see, now we will let them boil for around 15 minutes on low flame till these potatoes are almost 70% done. After 15 minutes I'll check. So here you can see they are soft. So at this stage we'll be adding curd. So we are not going through the traditional way of making yakhni. So I'll be adding curd directly here. We have to whisk the curd and add it to this curry, but we have to keep stirring so that it doesn't curdle. Keep stirring till it gets its first boil, and then you can keep it on low flame for again 10 minutes, and then our lip smacking aloo yakhni or potato yakhni will be ready. And now I'll be adding green coriander to it and chilies. I have chopped the chilies. You can skip green chilies, but it gives a good taste, slightly spicy taste. So it tastes really good. So here you can see, now I will cover it for some time, and at this stage you can check salt also. After 10 minutes on boiling on slow flame, I will check it out. Here the lip smacking aloo yakhni or potato yakhni is ready. You can check the softness too. And now I'll turn up the flame, and before serving I'll be just adding a tablespoon of ghee for extra flavor. And it's ready to be served. Here you can see our lip smacking potato yakhni or aloo yakhni is ready. Trust me, whether you are a potato fan or not, you are going to fall in love with this dish. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.